Hello everyone, I am Miss Tineke and today I'm going to show you what I made for you. And not just for you, but also for grandpas and grandmas who love crafting with their grandchildren. So, along with my video, a big hello to all those grandpas and grandmas. I put this aside for a moment and then I'll show you how I made this Christmas tree. I have a piece of folding paper here, and with this folding paper we are going to make this Christmas tree. Let's get started. We'll start with the diagonal fold. The diagonal fold. We take the scissors and cut along the diagonal fold all the way in half, all the way in half. And now we have two triangles. We have two triangles. This is the first part of the tree. See? The first part. Let's continue. We'll do it again. Fold it in half, point to point, fold it in half, not perfectly straight, like this. Should we fold it in half again and cut? We'll put the second part of the tree here. Fold it in half again, and now you probably understand. Keep cutting until all the paper is used up. Keep cutting until all the paper is used up. Put that piece there, another piece, fold it in half again. Cut it again, of course, and put that piece there. And then fold this one in half one more time, and then we are done. Now we have cut 5 pieces, and those pieces, well, we have to make sure you can see it, of course. And those 5 pieces, they go from big to small. And then from another piece of paper, you cut the trunk. And then you have this Christmas tree. What can you do with this Christmas tree? Well, you can of course stick it onto another stick of paper. But you also can glue all the pieces together. And then you can hang it in the Christmas tree. It's up to you, whatever you enjoy doing. How did I decorate this tree? Let me show you. These golden stars, I cut them myself from gold paper. And then these circles, these sequins, these little Christmas baubles, I bought them at a party store. And the little stars, I bought them in the store that starts with an A. You know, the one where you can buy everything. And then the glitter. The glitter is spread all over this tree. I hope you can see that there's glitter on it. How did I get the glitter on? I took some glue. I'll show you on this tree. Then you make a line of glue across the tree. Then you take the glitter and sprinkle it over the glue. Wherever the glue is, the glitter will stick. But if you do this, Make sure you put some newspaper underneath, because afterward you'll always have to shake off the tree a bit, since there's always too much glitter. That's how it works. So, this is my Christmas tree with the star at the top, bubbles at the bottom, and stars. I also made some tiny bubbles, and I made those with the hole punch. I used the hole punch to cut these tiny bubbles out of my gold paper. It's just an idea. You can decide entirely on your own how you want to decorate this tree, with which materials and in which colors. It's entirely up to your imagination. And I hope you like it and that you'll try it out together with your dad or mom or with your grandpa and grandma. It's so much fun to craft together. Okay, that's it for now. See you next time.